Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel, and thanks for clicking on this video. So this week I'm going to do another summer nail tutorial, and I love sunsets and just how cool the colors and the patterns you see in the sky when the sun sets, and even if I see it in sunrise, it looks so cool. So I decided to put them on my nails. If you want to learn how I do them and see how I do them, continue watching. But before you continue to watch, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Thank you so much. Go ahead and give this video a like, and because you love sunsets and sunrises and the sky and the earth in general, give this video a like. How about share it? Why not? You're already giving a like, so just share it. And let's get started with this video.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh.
Okay guys, let's get started with this video, and you want to apply the colors that I show you. 2 coats of the black on the index finger and the wedding finger, and then just 1 coat of the white for the ombre for the index finger, pinky, and thumb.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's all because I'm
So for the black, since the index finger, pinky, and thumb is kind of like busy and a lot going on, for the simple side, I'm going to apply a matte top coat onto the index finger and wedding finger to finish those nails off and let it begin to dry. Leave those 2 alone because I just want them 2 simple nails. Okay. Once you have the matte top coat on those 2, you're on to begin the hassle of the ombre. So for all the ombre, you want to use a nice makeup sponge wedge to apply the ombre. For the makeup sponge wedges, you can use each side for all 3 nails. You don't have to get a separate one for each nail, but if you really want to get a separate one for each nail, whatever floats your boat, you do what you do. So it doesn't matter which one you do first, but I'm just going to do the sunrise one first, and that is the thumb. So these are the colors I'm going to use for sunrise.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
To get that cool sunrise look. At the bottom of each nail, I'm going to put like water, like the ocean, like you're looking through the ocean. So paint that a blue. And you just move on to the daytime nails, which are these colors.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling.
did with them. Then you want to move on to the ombre for the sunset on your pinky, and these are the colors.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
As well, again, you want to block off that section for the water, add the white, then the blue, or if the blue's opaque enough, just block that color off with the blue, and then you're set to go. So once all the sunset, sunrise, daytime ombres are done, you got the water section blocked off, are done, then you want to add some detailing on each nail and just add 1 or 2 little palm trees on the edge of the nail, as you will see in the video. And on the midday nails, you want to draw some little V shapes to look like birds, because during the day birds are out. Have those on the middle finger, the birds for the daytime ombre, and then some of the palm trees, 1 or 2 on the edge of the nail for the morning and night, sunset and sunrise. Once you got the palm trees done, you want to add some detailing into the water. So you got the blue, so you want to add some with liner nail brush, stripe some white in there, and then also just a tinge of black to block off this horizon. And not all the way through, but you can, but just as you see, just like halfway through or a quarter way through, and just doing a little bit in the water to get some texture.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
looking for sunrise, midday, and sunset nails. And all I like to say to end this nail tutorial off right, thanks so much for watching. Okay, you guys, what do you think about those sunrise, midday, sunset nails that I did? It's pretty easy as long as you know how to do some ombre. Thanks so much for watching. It was pretty cool. I hope you liked it. And before you go, subscribe to my channel right down below. Look in the description box for all the colors that I used and even some of the links so you can get these nail polishes. And yeah, like this video, share this video, and thanks so much for watching. I appreciate everything you do. Bye.